In this video, we are going to design a crankshaft. In first video, we design the block. In the second video, we design the piston. So the third video, we are going to design a crankshaft because we will make an assembly of the engine. So open the sketch on the front plane and go to view normal to the sketch, and we have to simply draw a circle and define the diameter dimension of this circle. So the diameter will be 6.2 for this circle, and exit from the sketch. Now we have this circle, we can hide these planes so we can see it clearly and use the extrude tool, and we are going to extrude it to 0.5. Okay, so in the next, open the sketch on this front plane, view to normal, draw circle. So for this crankshaft, we are going to use the circle and define the dimension. So this dimension is 1, and exit the sketch, and we have to extrude this on the other direction and define this dimension 2.6. Okay, again open the sketch now on this face and view normal to the sketch plane and draw another circle, and the diameter of this circle is again 7.10. Okay, exit the sketch. It's 7.10 for the first circle. Okay, so the third sketch extruded to 0.5. So this extrusion is 0.5. Not this one. This extrusion. Third one, verify it. It's 1. It's basically 0.5. Okay. Now again open the sketch on this face, and we are going to view normal to the sketch plane and again draw a circle, and you have to drag this point like that. Dimension, so diameter of this circle is 1, and we have to define the position dimension for this point, from this point and this point. This dimension we have 1.5. Okay, exit it and extrude this circle, and we have the extrusion of 7.1 minus 2.6 minus 2.6. This is the calculation. I did it from the drawing like that. Again open the sketch on this face, view to normal sketch plane and draw a circle like that. Dimension, the diameter is 7.1. Okay, exit the sketch, extrude this circle. So this extrusion we have 0.5. Okay, our selection is wrong. Edit this. We also have to select this portion, and we want it to make add, not new, add. Delete this one. Again we are going to use the extrude tool. 0.5. Okay, again open the sketch now on this face, and normal view, so we can easily draw a circle, and diameter of this circle is 1. Exit the sketch, use the extrude, select this circle, and we have to define it 2.1. On the sketch on this face, view to normal, and again a circle, and this diameter is 7.1. Now the center of the circle is not coincident with the origin, so we are going to use a coincident, select this point and this origin and this point to make it coincident with this point, and extrude it 0.5. Our selection is not correct. Again use the extrude, select this circle and this circle 0.5. Okay, now so this is our crankshaft, a simple crankshaft which we design here. Okay.